Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make urchin stew Deepwoken. Start by finding a safe spawn point, then gather cooked urchin roe, seaweed, broth, and a pot. Light a campfire or stove, keep an eye on heat, and prepare to combine ingredients carefully. Follow timing tips to avoid curdling and balance flavor and buffs for a satisfying stew that supports your next play session. Collect the essentials: cooked urchin roe, seaweed, a neutral broth, and a pot. Prepare optional spices or herbs to adjust buffs and bring a reliable heat source. Keep quantities modest so you can experiment without wasting resources. When combining, add broth first, then gently fold in roe to protect texture. Taste and tweak gradually until the stew grants the desired status benefits and flavor balance. Heat your broth to a steady simmer and avoid a rolling boil to preserve ingredients and buffs. Add the cooked urchin roe slowly while stirring gently to maintain texture and status effects. Simmer only a short time after combining, then remove from heat and adjust seasoning to taste. Serve warm in a bowl and monitor cooldowns so you maximize temporary boosts for your next encounter in Deepwoken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.